everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Jiangsu Hongguang Steel Pole Company. Our company was founded in 1998.
We specialize in designing and manufacturing various steel poles, towers, and structures. Here is our office building.
First, this is our production workshop. On my left side is our bending machine. And these are our raw materials. The worker is cutting our raw materials.
The worker is welding these raw materials. Our company also produces power transmission line steel poles and towers, substation structures, communication monopole and towers, light poles, traffic poles, and so on.
And now we are going to build our automatic CNC cutting machine. And on my right side is our laser cutting equipment. And this is our semi-finished products area. We can see here is our another kind of raw materials. We also can notice these are our finished products.
Let's take a closer look at them. Now we are in testing center. There are various advanced testing equipment for raw steel material inspection and welding inspection.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.